Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Welcome to Australia summer. You see the sun, beautiful sunshine, beautiful day. And summer is the hot weather that most flies are coming in. See the hole and the fly screens damaged, and some here they all rip out, and the fly can get in and couldn't stop the fly coming to the house. See, the fly came in front of the house. All this we have to replace, stop the moisture and the fly coming in summer. Now we go get some thing to do it. The mesh size standard say 80 or 900, 80s, 800s, and all that. So at the front as well. So stay tuned with Simon. We go to Bunnings and you get some fly mesh and some tools, and you can do at home for yourself to protect your house, the fly not go into your house, and keep it fresh. Okay, stay with us, drive to Bunnings and get some fly screen and some tools that's I will show you how to install and get it cheapest that you can, because the fly screens, there are so many different prices, you know, but decently use 1 or 2 years, replace again and again, and save your money. We at the Bunnings. Now we're looking for the fly screen, door screen in this area. Here, have a look how many meters that one. And mainly we need the wheels so we can slide in. The gap between this wheel too small. Here's something. Don't have to be professional. Just use one. Just use one and throw away. Okay. Just get one of the little bigger gap. How many meter? So here, yep, all rows you can get many fly screen. And if we need some of them, you need some. But I got some at home already. I got this one, good one. We use them again. So we're using once, and then we just use this one. Let's get one. And get the whole big rows like this one. See, we can have some left and cut over 30 meters by 910, so really good, but not that good at quality at the aluminium, but still alright. It's fiberglass. Okay, let's go home. So we got that and the roller. We go home and install them on. Let's go this way. We're gonna install this one. Whip it all out. Keep this one again, you can use them again. Okay, it still have some string on it. I need flat screwdriver. This is top one. Put this in the bucket of water. You want to use it again? Put in water. Okay, let's wet them. We will use it again. Good one. We'll do this one out. We bought from Bunnings, remember? And probably been later. Really low quality. And all we do is lift up. So here, there, we cut this here. So one row, we don't really cut too much. We only get what we want. Anyway, leave it too much, alright. Too much, so. Okay, leave it over. Doesn't matter. Okay. And here we got, see, I put up the sheet like this. Take off the sticker here. This will keep the fly away, okay? Very easy. You can buy this from Bunny and do it yourself, okay? No need Simon. Just do once and you would know. And you see this one? You can do top one first or side one first. It's all up to you. It's really no matter. So just go like this here. Short one on the top. And we do the top one first. And we need the wheels. The wheels always with you. Go like this. Okay, just like that. And now you can do the ball one. What we do? One more. This one. Okay. It's on. When it's on, you can let go. You see? That's how you need that wheel to slide all the way in. You can see it there. You see? You see the one? Got a little groovy. It's stay online. Push it on. Now we do the bottom one, so it's straight down. Enjoy every moment of your life. Enjoy this one, okay? So you can put one edge down. This way. You see it down. And then so we do it. I wish you can see me. Push it on down. You see? I put one edge down, and all I do is just hold one hand and roll it and push it, roll it in like that. Okay. The bottom one a bit hard because the top one a bit hard because it's too high and I cannot reach. But this one, if someone hold the door for you, will be good, okay? Shit, someone hold the door for me. Shit. Shit. I really need my door right here. Oh, help. See how I go in? I need your help, man. So I straight up, go in here. Need water? And come over here. Hold me this one for me. All the way there. The top, okay. Go all the way in. The top. The top in first. Yep. You will see. Very easy. I'm left hand. There's someone helping me now with that. Okay. Yeah. See how it go in. You see if we go in, you can't even see the gap. See, they tight and the strength. See, no wobbling. Beautiful. Now one more this one, and this one will be strength and super strong. If it's hard, put those on the top one there. Okay. Forgot my roller. Forgot my roller. Yeah. Forgot my roller. Roller. Okay. Get this one there. And then we roll it down. There we go. See, so strong, no wobbling. He straight it out. So learn how to do this. See, this one gotta be on the line, like this one, line on line. See, this one gotta be the edge is on the rubber, and then roll it in and out. If you wish, up and down, many times you want. Okay, now what happened if it's too long? Now too long, it's now you have to do magic work, okay? It's very strong, so they have some strength in there and no wobbling, see? Very stable. And you can see very clearly too now. See, very strong. And what you do is need raising knife. Just one on the edge, go all the way down. But to do that, secure, make sure you roll in and in, out again. Upside down, in and out until see the rubber go all the way in. Okay, the rubber got to be in all the way in. You see? Okay, now we can cut and your job will be complete. Do that to everything, every door the same. Left out a little bit longer. We need this cut this edge, got to be strong, straight. Beautiful.
Cái nào đúng rắn nhá, thì thay cái cửa lưới kia luôn nhá. Hai cái kia. Mình sẽ làm mấy việc của mày.
What else we expect, brother?
Yeah.
Well done. Beautiful. Done.
Candle. Okay, bye. Oh, wait.
Okay, beautiful. We got the fly screen or the Moisy screen. It's all done. Looking good. Okay, thanks for watching short video how to install the fly screen or fly mesh, whatever you call them, to stop the Moisy and the fly getting for summer. So that's what I have to do all on the top with another big one as well. So all working good. See, you can, it's really strong, really strong.